Roti prata and chicken curry is a famous food in Asia countries. Roti prata, or also called as roti canai, is crispy in the outside and soft in the inside, with chicken curry and mixed with potato. Hello beautiful people, I am Angeline Dominic from Simple Cookings. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make back to back a double recipe, paratha and chicken curry. First let me show how to make paratha. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And the ingredients for paratha are 1.5 cups cow's milk, lukewarm cow's milk. 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 teaspoon salt is added. Stir well. 4 cups of maida or plain flour and cooking oil as much as we need. Add around 1/4 cup of cooking oil to the flour and mix well before adding the milk. Mix evenly. Now add half a cup milk first. Some prefer mixing egg too, but I don't prefer. Slowly add milk and knead till all the milk is mixed. Later add warm water to the cup and knead. Be careful, don't overpour the water. Knead to this extent now. Okay, now you can add a little more oil and knead continuously till it has a elastic texture. Pull and see the dough or the pastry. Now roll it round, cover it and keep it at least for 2 hours before cooking. Meanwhile, we can see the second recipe, and the ingredients for the chicken curry are: I am using 600 grams chicken cut into pieces, 250 grams potato sliced. I've already boiled it for a fast cooking and it's more delicious. 4 tablespoons chicken masala, any chicken masala you can use. 1 tablespoon chili powder. Here I am using Kashmiri chili, it will give red color and looks nice. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. You have to mix all these 3 powder together. Next, half a teaspoon garam masala, 70 grams of shallots crushed, 1.5 tablespoon ginger and garlic crushed, 100 grams tomato slice, 2 green chilies slit into half, and a few curry leaves. 1 teaspoon fennel seed and 1 teaspoon poppy seeds. Poppy seeds are forbidden in Singapore. 3/4 cup tamarind juice. I am using fresh cream 100 grams. You can use coconut milk too. Salt to taste. Method: add oil to a heated pan. Now add fennel and poppy seed. Let it roast. Add shallots, ginger and garlic crushed and saute well. Okay, now you can add the curry leaves. Add the tomatoes and green chili, followed by the masala. Now add more oil as we want the masala to be roasted in the oil. Okay, now you can add the boiled potatoes together with the water and the chicken pieces too. Add water and stir and mix. Now add salt and the garam masala. Also the tamarind juice. Let it boil. Now taste. Okay, enough salt. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check it. And lastly, add fresh cream and stir well. I honestly like the potatoes in the chicken curry. Taste very delicious. Okay, it is all cooked well. Now you can off the stove. You can check the description box below my channel for all the full recipes ingredients. This is the simple and delicious chicken curry. It's ready to eat. Can be eaten with rice, paratha, bread, chapati and so on. Let's cook the paratha. This is more than 2 hours. See the elastic texture of the dough. Should be like this. Make equal size of round balls first. Roll it and keep aside. Later roll it inwardly like how I am showing. You have to do all the rolled dough. Now add some oil and keep aside first. Continue doing the rest. I am going to show 2 ways of making this paratha. First, I am using a chapati board and the roller. Roll the flour, the dough. I've rolled like this. Add little oil or sprinkle little oil using your hands to spread it evenly. Then keep rolling it like how I am showing. Just pull it longer. It doesn't matter if it gives way. Roll again like coil. Then lastly just press it below and try to flatten with your hands or use the roller to roll it. So it will be like this. Now the second way, use a round tray or a lid or a cover of a big pot or vessel. Use oil onto the surface. Roll the dough, use oil and use your hands and stretch it as much as you can. Doesn't matter if it has. Sprinkle little oil. And spread with your hands. Now cover it up this way and this way. This is the square paratha. Use a roller to roll it. Then use the hand to adjust it. Okay, now let's cook it. In a chapati pan, add a little oil. Add the rolled dough to it and cook Keep turning it. Add oil once in a while. Press it firmly. Now the square paratha. Sprinkle oil. It is cooked. Lastly, we have to use our hands to beat it like how I am showing. This is to make the paratha softer. It softens when you beat it. This is the paratha we did, the large type and the chicken curry, and this is the rolled one. It's hot. And layers. Hope you enjoyed my channel. Leave your comments in my comment box. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.